I love old recipes. They use simple, affordable ingredients, yet they can taste just as good as modern fancy cookies. Today, I'm sharing one from my grandmother. For these cookies, you'll need 1/3 cup of milk and 1 cup of sugar. Warm them gently, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Then set the mixture aside to cool. Meanwhile, beat 7 tablespoons of softened butter, instead creamy. Add 1 egg and continue beating until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Once the milk and sugar mixture has cooled, slowly pour it into the butter and egg mixture in a thin stream while continuing to mix. Now it's time for the flour. You'll need 3 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. And 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. I like to add the flour gradually and sift it as I go. There is something so relaxing about sifting flour. Keep adding the flour until the dough starts to come together. Now knead the dough just until it becomes soft and smooth. Try not to overwork it. And this is exactly the texture we're looking for. Soft, smooth, and easy to work with. Now, lightly flour your work surface. And roll the dough out evenly. You don't want it too thin, because we want the cookies to stay soft and tender. Now comes my favorite part. Cut out the cookies using your favorite cookie cutter. What was your favorite cookie when you were a child? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Transfer the cookies to a parchment-lined baking sheet. And before they go into the oven, brush the tops lightly with milk. Then sprinkle them with a little sugar. Now they're ready for the oven. Bake at 390 degrees Fahrenheit until beautifully golden brown. And here they are, golden, tender, and beautifully simple. I love recipes like this because they prove that simple ingredients can make something really special. These cookies are soft, delicate, and perfect with a glass of milk. Just look at that texture inside. If you enjoy simple homemade baking, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cozy recipes. And tell me, what country are you watching from? I'd love to know where you're watching from. See you in the next recipe.